Hey guys, so sorry. Right in the middle, my iPad started to do a system reset. So that's what happens. And so Catherine is right now, she's crumbling the bacon. There's the bacon. And she's crumbling it all across the top. Mom, how many strips of bacon did you use?
I bought one of those packages where it's pre-cooked, and maybe it had 12 pieces in there or less. And they're small. They're very small. See, we got 2 pieces to munch on. Because that's enough bacon, I think.
Is it? No, it's not enough. No? Just use it all.
Okay.
Just use it. Bacon, 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 bacon!
Again, it doesn't call for this, but you could do whatever you want.
Well, and that's the point with cooking, don't you think, Mom?
Yes. Yes.
So you have a recipe, and it's just a guideline. And then you can add whatever you want.
Well, guys, it's done. And now we put it in the oven for 25 minutes or until, depending on your oven, that it looks cooked. Now, my question was, and may have some suggestions, as what to make a side. What kind of side would you make with it? Jeanine said a plain salad. I was thinking, well, for my daughter, Lisa Marie, and her children, doing, veggie tots or potato tots with it. Jeanine wants just a salad.
I just think it's too much to have.
Well, if you go and have a cheeseburger at a restaurant.
I know, but it's not a cheeseburger. I think a salad's a perfect finish, or a perfect side is a good salad. If you wanted to do some sort of like string bean salad or tomato salad, cucumber salad, something like that. But I mean, to do another like hot veggie, so Wendy's saying a Caesar salad.
Caesar salad.
I mean, you can do whatever you want, obviously, but don't, why make it more complicated than it needs to be? Wendy, did you guys make this too? Did anybody make it? I don't know if anybody's made it, but there's the final non-baked.
We will take a picture of it after it's done.
And then when we cut it. So it's going in the oven. How long does it need to go into the oven?
25 minutes.
You can look at the phone instead of me.
25 minutes at 400.
All right, so 25 minutes, 400. Probably want to check it to see if it's just firming up.
Right.
Cheese is melting.
Again,
Everything's.
depending on your oven, it calls for 25 minutes, but that doesn't mean it'll cook in less time. Ours cooks in less time sometimes. Sometimes it takes longer. I don't know. That's why I keep checking it. And I do that with everything I make. I don't trust the oven.
All right.
And that's really about it. And I'm going to put it into the oven very carefully because, as you can see, it's up to the rim.
With brim. Remember that commercial?
Yes.
All right, let's see if it makes it there. And then once it does, that's going to be the end of the video. So we want Mom to make more personal recipes, but a lot of the stuff that she makes, like, believe it or not, she makes pretzels, and they're delicious, but she said they're really time consuming. And so we're trying to do little small bite videos for everybody. And then, of course,
have any requests?
And then, well, the sauce. Everybody wants you to make sauce. Now, why haven't you made the sauce yet?
Why?
Yeah.
Because it takes a long time. It's not just putting the sauce together. It cooks for several hours. You have to brown the meat. I guess I could, I
mean, everybody doesn't have to see the full process of the sauce,
right?
But at least the prep and what you put into it and stuff.
Then you got to make the meatballs. There's a lot more. This is simple.
Yeah.
And I love simple, easy and simple.
I know, but sometimes you like the more.
But if anybody has any other requests other than sauce, I mean, I don't mind doing the sauce.
Well, definitely Judy wants the pretzels.
Yeah, Judy wants pretzels.
I mean, Judy wants you to do salad too, but the salad's nothing. It's just your hands.
Right. Exactly.
Right, so you can't make this. So Danielle is saying sauce.
Yeah, Danielle's been saying sauce.
I know, and she's sick. You should try to help her out. Right, Danny? Totally try to help your niece out. All right. Well, if you think of anything other than the stuff that we have mentioned, one of the things that we pulled out is to do the white chicken chimichangas.
Right. And another one was, which I saw in the recipe looked great, was a pasta noodle like rotelli, and you put a sausage in it and Parmesan cheese and bacon.
That sounds good.
And that looked.
Do you remember
outrageous.
what was that recipe? What was that restaurant? Harper's, and they did the six cheese penne pasta, and it had the sausage and tomatoes and stuff like that.
Karen would be familiar with that, being in North Carolina. I don't know if anyone else has. It was really delicious.
I had it when I was in Charlotte this past hockey
very
season.
Very good. Anything with pasta and Parmesan cheese, and it had sausage in it, and it was just delicious. But this recipe I saw with the pasta and the sausage and parsley and Parmesan cheese, it looked really good. I'd like to try that. That looks like a simple recipe too. Again, I'm into simple recipes, one-pan recipes.
So if you want her to do one, just send us the recipe, and we will maybe if I like it, we'll try it out.
If it meets with Jeanine's approval, then we'll do it. If it doesn't, I mean, you've all known her long enough to know it's got to be Jeanine's way or no way.
Yeah, it's the way it is. It's the way it is. I've
Yep.
earned it. Anyway.
Yeah, right.
All right, you guys. Well, we'll let you know how it is. Send us what you want us to make, and we'll try to accommodate. Cheers, all. Have a wonderful Sunday and a great week ahead, and we'll talk to you soon.
Be safe.
Bye.